Hello everybody, Airsoft Ninja 1 here, and I am just showing you a quick video about something that I made. It's my first little project with electronics, circuits, things like that. So what this is a it's just a simple little flashlight type thing that I made. So I have four 3.3 volt bright white LEDs mounted through the front through holes that I drilled. I have a micro SPST switch, toggle switch on the side, so you can hit that. And then I made an 18 volt battery pack here, combining two 9 volt batteries. Showed some more holes in the back, wired them through. So if you open it up, you see that I have it wired in here for LEDs. I have a 220 ohm resistor connected to a 41 ohm resistor for a total of 261 ohms of resistance. So I wired it all up, made all the connections, soldered it, and turn it on. Now I'm not sure if the video will give this justice, but it is very, very bright. It's extremely bright. So it's very simple, really cheap soldering iron stand. Read up some schematics and did the calculations and everything down here. So yeah, it's my first little project. More to come, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.